Society fears the man who is comfortable being alone. Why? Because he cannot be controlled. He doesn't need your approval. He doesn't fear your exclusion. And he doesn't trade his time for cheap attention. In the next 180 seconds, I will show you why strategic isolation is the most dangerous phase of a winner's journey. While the crowd chases noise, validation, and borrowed purpose, the rare few step back into silence and begin building something the world hasn't seen yet. That silence isn't emptiness. It is preparation. It is the quiet before a force that cannot be stopped rises to the surface. When you are surrounded by people, you are surrounded by their opinions, their fears, and their limitations. You become a reflection of your circle. But in isolation, you face the only person that matters, yourself. This is where the inner machine is built. Every empire in history was first designed in a room where only one person was present. Isolation isn't a lack of friends, it's a surplus of purpose. The brain, when freed from constant social stimulation, begins forming high-focused neural pathways that sharpen instinct, deepen discipline, and accelerate execution. The lone wolf doesn't wander aimlessly. He calculates. He observes. He moves with absolute intention while the herd follows whoever is loudest. There are 3 rules to strategic isolation. First, starve your distractions. Every notification, every meaningless conversation, every social obligation that drains without returning is a leak in your foundation. Seal it. Second, feed your obsession. Whatever you are building, whatever version of yourself you are becoming, pour every available hour into it without apology. Third, never announce your moves. Let the world think you are lost. Let them think you failed. Let them grow comfortable with the idea that you are finished. While they are busy talking about you, you are busy outworking them in the dark. Remember, a lion doesn't lose sleep over the opinion of sheep. Silence is not weakness. Silence is strategy. The climb is lonely. There is no crowd cheering at the halfway point. No applause echoes through the fog. Just you, your discipline, and the decision to keep moving when every comfortable option tells you to stop. But the view at the top, that view is reserved only for those who dared to walk alone. The city below doesn't see the climb. It only sees the arrival. Subscribe to Hidden Intel. Build in the shadows.